Jungle.
Hi everyone, my name is Melfred D. Lacaba and I'm excited to share with you my goals and aspirations in life as a marine electrician. I'm passionate about working with electrical system and machine. My goal in life is to become a successful marine electrician working on complex electrical system and ensuring the safety and efficiency of marine vessels. I believe this goal is achievable with hard work, dedication, and a strong foundation in electrical technology. To achieve my goal, I plan to focus on my studies this semester. I'll prioritize my time and effort to master the concepts and skills required to become a competent marine electrician. By focusing on my studies, I'll be able to gain a deeper understanding and electrical machines and system, which will help me to excel in my future career. The subject of electrical machines is crucial in achieving my goals to provide the fundamental knowledge and skills required to understand the work with electrical system and machines. By mastering this subject, I'll be able to design, install, and maintain crucial system efficiently and safely. This knowledge will also help me to troubleshoot and repair electrical faults, which is essential to a marine electrician. Becoming a successful marine electrician requires dedication, hard work, and a strong foundation in electrical technology. By focusing on my studies and mastering the subjects of electrical machines, I'll be able to achieve my goals and excel in my future career. I hope you will join me on this journey and support me in achieving my aspiration. Thank you. That's all. Thank you for watching.